Your source is your God, not your channel, not your business, not your investment. You don't even have to, sige na Lord, sige na Lord. Because your goal is never about your goal. Part of legacy is fulfillment. Okay ka deep inside. Ask me how. You show up every day with peace of mind. You show up every day fulfilled. That I don't need anything outside me. And the more you show up every day fulfilled, the more the blessing will run after you. Ano pinagkaiba ng joy sa happiness? Yung joy, no matter what, thank you, Lord. Happiness, may natanggap ka, uy, grabe naman to. Tapos, ay, okay na, yung next naman. Walang katapusan. And I'm not really going for becoming a multi-billionaire, but I'm going for prosperity, which means gumaganda ang buhay ko every day, getting better, getting better. Not perfect, but at least getting better. Which is, I bring this to wherever I am, whatever I do to my business, and lo and behold, that will flourish behind my goal. Because why? My source is limitless. My source is abundant. Hindi nauubos. And maybe the reason why we are so afraid is simply because, again, our programming, the way we were trained, the way we were brought up, is what we call survival mode. Ang problema lang sa survival mode is nakaalis tayo sa pain kasi gusto natin gumanda ang buhay natin, true or true. Now, here's the thing. Magkilala kayong mga business owner, nung umalis na sila sa pain ng hirap ng buhay, nung gumanda ng buhay, gumanda lang from the outer, but the inside, it was even worse. Ask me why. They're still operating coming from fear of lack. Survival. And ayaw natin mag-take ng risk. Why? Simply because maybe our goal here is to put ourselves into a certain level of pleasure. Okay na ako eh. Ba't pa ako magpapakahirap? And the way we can create certain level of pleasure in our life is to see us create more profit. Ang problema lang kasi, pag nakatutok ka lang sa profit, para gumandang buhay mo, pero yung come from mo is still survival and pain, it's a never-ending constant of, I get it, I don't, I get it, I don't, I get it, I don't. But you never go back to your peace of mind, your fulfillment, your joy, your prosperity. And maybe I'm here to let you know that you're not better than the birds are not better than you, but we're one and the same. But maybe the bird is just trusting his creator will provide no matter what. Kailan ka ba pinabayaan? Why fear? Why doubt? Why worry? And maybe I'm just here to remind you, your life here is to live it in purpose. Basta paniwala ko lang sa buhay, isa lang. You can have everything in your life that you want. When I say everything, you can buy the most expensive bed, but nobody can buy seat. I can have both. You can buy companions, barkada, but you can never buy friends. I can do both. You can always buy the most expensive house, but you can never buy home. Which is the purpose in life, just what you said, tulungan tayo. Walang competition, collaboration. Because you can have everything in your life that you want if you just help enough people get what they want. Sa totoo lang, no, in our community, nobody knows what business is all about. Seminar is not my business. Every earning I have, I bring it back to the community. We have one program. Do you think the 150 how much you pay there? Halos kulang pa nga siguro, dive one pa lang, true or true. But nobody knows what's going on for me. FYI, I own 33 companies already by just helping people. Repeat after me. When your purpose is clear, the profit will just appear. And when you're very profitable, your life will be pleasurable. But don't stay in pleasure. Ask me why. There are too many people in pain. Our job here is to help them. Our job here is to support them. But our first job here is to make sure we get out of the survival, the pain, by what? Believing in our source. Are we good? Take a deep breath. Check-in muna tayo. So far, ano yung pinaka natutunan natin one at a time? Let's start. Trying to say here, I don't have all the money in this world, but never akong nauubos. Parang ang treatment ko sa pera, ilusyon na parang hangin. Sige nga, paki-income. Inhale. Spend. Hindi ka nagtira, hindi ka nag-budget, hindi ka nag-ipon. Bakit? Because the next time you inhale, you exhale. As long as we know that the moment we were born, anything and everything that we want, the blessing, is always providing us. Parang hangin. Sabi nga sa Matthew, look at the birds in the air. They don't plant. They don't harvest. They don't even store. Huwag mong sabihin sa akin, mas maganda pang magaling pang bird sa'yo. Pareho lang kayo nilikha ng Diyos. And I think I'm living in that space already. Even to a point, tanggalin lahat anong meron ako ngayon. Everything. Back to zero. Mas ma-excite pa ako. Tanong niyo sa akin bakit? Kasi I'm being prepared to my next level. Malay mo, hindi lang million ang hininda sa akin ng Lord. Billion na. Kaso lang, kaya ibigay kasi, ganyan ka. Seriously. In fact, I have more than 100 friends who I can call. Gio, bankrupt ako, 0-0. I need 1 million. Yes or no? Boss Rean, yes or no? In 1 hour, I can produce 100 million. What Christine was saying, network of friends who you planted, kindness, support will never leave you nor forsake you. Why fear? You know what's the best part? Sabi, si Coach Ross, habang tumatanda, mas maraming pagmamahal at nagmamahal sa kanya. Here's the thing. What is normal? The normal here is the older you get, the more sick you become. Yes or no? No, for me, it's not. The older I get, the more happy, sexy, high energy I have. Physically, I'm more energized. The older I get, di ba karamihan, pag tumatanda, normally, mas pahirapan sa pera. True or true? Yeah, mas pabigat ang mga matatanda. True or true? No, this one, by nature. Yung puno ba ng mangga, habang tumatagal, mas magandang bunga. Huwag mo lang bombahan. Up to 100 years. And here's the thing, yung bunga, nagiging puno. Yung puno, nagiging bunga, nagiging forest. That's nature. But how come human, the older we get, the smaller we are in terms of finances. But this is the worst part. The older you get, the more lonely you become. Ask me why. Nasaktan ka lang one time, big time, 7 billion humanity, hinusgahan mo na maari ka nasaktan.
As if you're judging God, mali ang mga nilikha mo, mga lahat yan, traidor. Ako, I wanna live more than 100 years. And I study about it. And food and exercise is not even the top 10. Sabihin mo sa kanila, friend, mamaya may humba. Alam niyo yung humba? Humba. Kain ka na madami. Happy, healthy, excited. Ask me what? Network. Social ties. That I enjoy waking up in the morning because I have friends, I have neighbors, I have people who I can call. Right now, the older people get, the smaller their world is. So which means maybe my message for today is to help you understand, to get out from being normal, to go back to being natural. And what is natural? Would you like to know what your nature is? Pakisabi, I am a beautiful creation of God. And therefore, everything that you want, you don't even have to beg for it. You don't even have to cry for it. You don't even have to, sige na Lord, sige na Lord. Because your God is a God of abundance. And maybe I'm here to just give you something that I embody. I want you to also understand channel or vehicle. What's the word? Aling channel or vehicle? Yun yung pamamaraan para makarating ka sa goal mo. Klaro ba? So let's say, an example lang, how many of you here, sige lang, a goal can be, I want to earn 7 figures on a weekly basis for the rest of my life, increasing 10% every year. Raise your hand. Okay ba yun? Alright, so lagyan natin goal. 7 figures. Weekly, wow. Parang 4 to 5 million yan. Not bad. Because your goal is never about your goal, but you have to understand, behind the goal is what you call essence. What's the word? What's the essence behind this goal? Bakit natin gusto ang income na ganito? Can anyone tell me, why do you want that 7 figures income weekly or monthly or daily? Why? Because if you don't understand this, you'll keep on running after this. You get it, you don't get it. You get it, you get it. But you get so tired and you're miserable. What is the essence of this goal for you guys? Question po, yun na pwede niyong sagutin. Quality of life the people are not, that means I would always say it's the capacity to have peace of mind. Right? When you're earning that much, do you think you'll have peace of mind? Oh, you bet. What else? All right? Fulfillment. When you are in your mission, then you feel fulfilled. What else?
Legacy.
All right? Part of legacy is fulfillment. Can I put in joy? Yun bang happiness mo is no matter what, okay ka deep inside. Clear? And I guess last but not the least is prosperity. Yung buhay mo habang tumatagal, gumaganda. Klaro ba? So I think that's most important part. Let's say you have 7 figures weekly basis but you don't have peace of mind. Gusto mo, hindi mo gusto. Hindi mo gusto. Which means my suggestion here is, yes, you want that goal. Yes, you have a channel. But how are you on a day-to-day basis? Because the thing around what's taking us away from our peace of mind, from our fulfillment, from our joy, from our prosperity is nakafocus tayo sa gusto natin makuha. At paano natin makuha yan is tungkol sa ating business. Ang problema niyan, pag tinanggal yung business sa iyo, saan ka pupulutin? Pag nagbago ang game ng real estate, kumusta ang kitaan mo? And that is where all the fear that is showing up in this world.